What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, the SUBSRIBE fam. We got the crew here today. Juan, Mitch. We also have Matt over here in front of the camera, but we got some sad news for you guys. The Hawkeye got vandalized. Nothing crazy, but we'll show you guys what's up. All right, guys, so at the moment, Matt's already kind of working his way, but seems to me like Halloween night, a bunch of kids came by and used some rattle can spray paint and just went right across the whole side of the car. Literally from the headlight all the way down to the back. But it started off here. Matt's got some compound, some nice 3M compound. He's already working the cheap spray paint right out. So that's a plus, guys, because my day was already really shitty, man. I was super sad, but it's turning around. It's turning around. These people think that they can upset you, but you can always turn it into a good thing, right, guys?
Yeah, very good thing.
That's it, man. That's it. All right, guys, I'm gonna drop some items down in the description. You know, just if this ever happens to you guys, or if you ever, you know, get paint somewhere that you really don't want it, these are some things that you can use to help get it out. But we did just try this real quick, some 3M compound, and man, it's working out pretty well. So Matt's just working at that. Nice. But of course, guys, it had to be the side that was super clean. Like, we literally just polished, detailed, like clay barred, ceramic coat. We did the whole freaking car, and it couldn't have been the side with the rusty fender that we're gonna replace. Nope.
That would have been ideal.
That would have been way more ideal. Oh, so thankful for the boys. So thankful for the boys. It's coming out.
Wow.
Look at this.
Just like the leftover.
What freaking, what jerks. Look at the after spray.
It should. You have to put some oomph behind it.
Yeah, it doesn't now that door doesn't even look like it. Nothing ever happened.
This is the good shit. I should have
It
used this on
doesn't
my
do
car. I
anything.
should use this on my car to buff
Oh
it.
my god.
Dude, it really it looks.
I used the purple one instead.
Oh my gosh. It's
Yeah,
coming
that
off.
That whole door is good.
Oh, I'm so happy, guys. Oh my gosh. I started off literally this day. Juan pulled up. It's okay. No, you're fine. Juan pulled up, right? Me and Mitch were already here. I haven't really driven or looked at the Hawkeye in a while. I've had it parked here. We were going to do some side skirts. Pay attention to that, guys. Video's going to be coming out for Sylvie. And then Juan pulls up and he's like, dude, what happened to the Hawkeye? And I'm like, no, don't tell me. Walk over, see the spray paint, immediately disappointed. Started going, you know, all in my head, all upset, but because it is, you know, guys, original paint. The car's never been resprayed or nothing like that, so I didn't want that to happen. But luckily, this is looking good.
I don't see shit either.
I got on a couple of the scratches too on the door.
Just a little bit, yeah. Like after spray. All cleaned up.
The whole headlight with that shit. Fuck it. Ain't gonna hurt it.
For real. Watch out.
Make it look better. Yeah, I'm sure what shorts you're sweating.
Yeah, right? I can't even believe this is form.
I'm wearing it.
It's all gone. We got Cabral mad for like an hour.
They got
That's
me for a
about
little
it.
bit, guys. They got me bugging for a little bit, but
It's all gone.
always make a
Watch out, guys.
bad situation good.
Facts, bro. We
That's
got
it.
that shit.
That's it, baby. Yeah, guys, drop those comments down below. Let me know of yours guys' story. I didn't even notice this. It happened a few days ago, probably Halloween night. Didn't even notice it. came out to do some mods. One Nico pointed it out. I went into crisis mode, like, man, what the hell? But we're good, man.
It's all off now.
All off. Yeah, guys, let me know. Let me know anybody else's stories about dealing with anything or anything like that. All right, guys, so fast forward a few days. Scrappy is, you know, all set. So like I said, we are now tackling Sylvie's new side skirts. We're going to do something, you know, a little custom since we do have a paint match front lip. So right now we got Mitch and Matt and myself sanding the side skirts real quick. And then we'll probably try to get them, you know, primed and see what we're working with. So let's jump into it. All right, guys, me and Mitch just ran to the store and we got some primer. So we're gonna start tackling this and see how it comes out. Now, guys, we did, you know, obviously clean the whole side skirt with some rubbing alcohol. Just a nice little thin coat of primer. Hit it nice and light, first coat. Solid. It's getting a little nippy over here, no? Down in New England? Eee! I like it. It's progress. Yeah, guys, literally just, it's crazy. We were in New England about 4 days ago when we were just talking about Scrappy and that stuff was going down with Scrappy. It was like 70 degrees out. And now it's 48 degrees a few days later in the garage with our little heater. We're banging out these side skirts, guys. Sylvie definitely needs it, man. We got a few more things too that's going to be coming to Sylvie, guys. So make sure you guys stay in tune to the channel. But this is going to make a big difference. Alright, guys, we just flipped the side skirt real quick. Hit the bottom end with that primer. Hit it with a few coats. And this baby's almost ready for paint. Alright, guys, we got our first side skirt all primed up. Pretty much ready for a nice wet sand. And then clean up. And then ready for the paint. So now we're just going to start cleaning up our second side skirt with some alcohol. Priming it so we can wet sand them both and start painting, baby. Hell yeah. This is honestly freaking exciting. Sylvie definitely needs it, guys. She needs it. All right, guys, so my boy Mitch started going hard painting with the paint match color code spray. It is G1, right? GU1 or something? GU1 or G1U. G1U. Right here, guys. G1U, Subaru base coat. So, literally paint matched to the OEM paint. And man, it looks absolutely killer. All right, guys, I'm gonna set up the camera. We got our second side skirt coming in hot. We're gonna wet sand it, get it ready to get painted. All right, guys, we got a little contraption going. We got a side skirt nice and hung up so we can start painting nice and freely. So let's do it. Alright guys, so we finished up the side skirts. I am going to give you guys a nice quick peep on that. But before I do that, I'm going to pull Scrappy out. I'm going to pull Sylvie in so we can, you know, jack Sylvie up, get these side skirts on, and, you know, surprise M with it. Get it looking mint, show you guys some slow-mos of it. Man, I'm so excited. The paint match came out absolutely amazing, guys. So awesome. So let's move Scrappy, let's pull Sylvie in. Let's get this. Alright guys, my phone ended up freaking connected to CarPlay. I didn't even notice it. So you didn't even catch me pulling the cars out. But we got Sylvie in the driveway. We got Scrappy kind of just warming up right now. But make sure you guys stay in tune to the channel. You know, this thing, thank God guys, we got her looking okay. Obviously as of right now, you can notice we do have Harold's wheels on right now from his STI. Because we are, you know, getting another video out for you guys. Doing something with the wheels. But make sure you guys stay in tune to the channel, man. I am so grateful for the fam, you know, just for everything. Because, you know, as you guys see in the beginning of the video, I was pretty bummed, man. I really was. And it started off that day, you know, way worse than what I showed you guys on camera. And, you know, I'm just super glad that everything worked out. And, you know, even if it didn't, we would have found a way, you know, to make it right, make it better. And that's why, you know, I just really wanted to share my story with you guys. Because, you know, this could be happening to anybody out there. You know, this world's a scary place, but hey, it is what it is. You got to make the best of it, guys. And man, I'm happy she's looking all right. We already got things coming, so make sure you guys stay tuned. But let's end this video off. Let's start freaking jacking Sylvie up. Let's install these side skirts. Hell yeah. Bear with me, guys. It's freaking freezing, man. I've been slacking a little bit. It's like 28 degrees. It's been a little bit. So obviously, you know, I mentioned it was Halloween when we recorded the whole, you know, Hawkeye thing, and it's just been freaking cold over here in New England. But we gotta pump through, guys. We gotta freaking get through this shit. We got Sylvie jacked up. I'm gonna go get the side skirts, get the hardware, start getting these bad Larrys on. All right, guys. I already got one on. Here they are right here. Super nice. I just put this little rubber garment on that it came with. But man, with the clear, the paint match, it looks so nice. Can't wait to show you guys when I get it all done. All right, I'm gonna install that passenger side and drop the car down. Alright guys, side skirts are officially on. I do have one more bolt in the back all the way behind the tire, which I'll do eventually. I'll take the tires off and I'll get that in. That's why it's just sagging a tad bit. But yeah guys, we did, you know, put the stock OEM wheels back on. They are beat. Remember, I didn't get them fixed yet. We will be getting them fixed this summer, but might as well, you know, put the beat ones for the winter back on. But man, everything looking just the way I kind of wanted it. Paint matched front lip, paint match side skirts with the, you know, OEM BBS wheels from the 17. Oh, it's looking killer. So let me lower this car down. I'm gonna go rinse it off and get some slow-mos for you guys. Sylvie's just warming up. Quick little sneak peek. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. But yeah guys, before we go take this car on a little photo shoot, again, just want to get a quick wrap up on Scrappy, man. And I cannot believe, you know, there's people out there that, you know, they do stupid things just for a quick laugh. You know what I mean? Like a freaking spray paint, you know what I mean? All the way down to the end of the car. The kids probably laughed for a few, you know what I mean? A few seconds and then walked it off. But hey, we fixed it, guys. I actually wanted to show you too, like that fence got painted. It's already been weeks, but a lot of stuff got washed off or fixed. They did a lot of damage up the street to another Honda, stuff like that. But yeah, guys, I'm just satisfied, you know, we got it all out. Everything worked out well. And, you know, you can always turn a bad situation into even better than it was before. Just try to remember that. Let's go get some shoots of this thing. All right, guys, and we finally got the paint matte side skirts on there, looking sick, man. The paint code was such a match, guys. Oh, I'm so happy with it. The only thing is, obviously, you see it sagging in the back a little bit. I just got to take the back tires off and put that one last screw in. But other than that, guys, I am so freaking satisfied with it. I've been dying to show you guys this. I'm so happy it's on, looking mint. Let me get you guys nice and up close and show you guys. That paint match is on point. That looks super solid. Super solid. And with the, you know, her OEM wheels back on. I remember, you know, I didn't end up showing you guys that, but her OEM wheels back on now for the winter with the side skirt, the front lip. It looks absolutely killer. Now, next thing this car's getting is definitely some more power mods, some fueling, you know, maybe an up pipe, headers. We'll see what the word is, but guys, Sylvie's coming along, man. This car's looking absolutely freaking sick. I'm so happy with it. You know, just a few weeks ago, I was freaking all depressed, all upset, super, you know, just down about the Hawkeye, stuff like that. Things kind of, you know, switched around real quick. We're back on the grind, guys. I'm going to be back pumping videos for you guys. So, you know, I appreciate anybody who's watching the content still, staying tuned. That looks so sick. Oh, hell yes. Hell yes. I'm definitely going to be taking the back wheels off as soon as I get home. Getting those, you know, lifted up a little bit. Just get that last bolt in. But, whew, I'm super satisfied with it, guys. Painting is coming our way. We're getting good with it. All right, guys, remember, we got more coming to Sylvie. We do have a lot coming to the Hawkeye. We got some stuff coming to Mitch's wagon. Everybody's build is going to be getting love soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. I absolutely love the way this came out, man. Great video turnout. But remember, guys, if you're liking the channel, if you're liking the content, smash that like button, show us all the love, do it all up. Subi fam out, baby.